In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a monetizable faceless video like this.
The key to starting a successful faceless YouTube channel is to focus. Every great success story begins with one powerful decision, the decision to focus. Today, I'll show you how focus can help you start a successful faceless YouTube channel business.
Alright, so let's dive into it. So first, you need to create a script, but if you don't know how to write or create your own script, don't worry. I'll show you how to create it with the help of AI, but do your research and have a better idea of the video that you're gonna create. I thought of establishing that before we get deeper. If you don't have Canva account, I'll drop the link in the description box. Hover on the video because you have a lot of menus here. I will create a video, so I'll click on video, and these are the video templates. If you want to create a YouTube short video, use TikTok video to create that. Also, you can use mobile video. Size is the same, but in today's video, I'll create a longer video. All right, so I'll click on this one, the 1920 by 1080 pixel. So I'll click on it. Now it's time to create the script. Like I said earlier on, if you don't know how to create it, don't worry, because I'll use ChatGPT to create the script. And like I said earlier on, you have to prompt it well, just so it's gonna generate a good script for you. And this is my prompt. My video is about focus. I included write video script with scenes and voiceovers. All right, so that's why you need to prompt it well. And all right, so this is the result. I know I'm moving too fast, but I would like to show you something quick. Now, up to here, I realize it's not much, so I prompted again, please add from the numbers 8 to 10. And because I have an idea and I know what this AI should generate for me, I included the topic that I want ChatGPT to talk about, which is AI, online courses, and affiliate marketing tools. So leverage AI tools. Number 9, creating and selling online courses and affiliate marketing tools. All right, so that's about the scripting. To create the audio, I'll use 11 Labs. You can use any voiceover generator or AI software of your choice, but I'll use this because it's clear and it sounds realistic. So I'll drop my 11 Labs playlist in the description box. You can check it out. So I'll close it. Now I'll go back. To get the voices, you click on voices. There are a bunch of voices here. You have the typical Adam's voice. You have Allison, alright? So the list goes on. But so in case you want to use any of these voices, Allison for instance, hover on your right and click use, then drop your text. When you click on use, then you click on text to speech, alright? So that's how it works. So I'll go back and copy this text and I'll drop it here. The key to starting a successful faceless YouTube channel, I would say, is to focus. It's because I want the audio to emphasize on this page, and I'll go back, and these are the visuals. When we are about to create our images and videos in Canva, we'll use this one, but for now we are working on the audio. That's why I say, so under voiceover, just copy and drop it here. All right, you see how it has emphasized on the most important stuff. All right, so I'm using Grammarly. Sometimes it tries to correct certain things. 250, maximum 300 each is good. So what I'll do, this is the intro, and this from here all the way, to here is the half of the first paragraph, and from here will be the second half of the first paragraph. I'll go back, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'll copy and I'll drop everything the way it is. But please make sure you use the tip I gave you. Don't drop everything. This is the same, so I don't need it. I'll drop, delete it, and make sure you correct the necessary underline text. I'll take this off just because of the way I copied it. All right, so now, and I need to take off this. I don't need that. So these are some of the things you need to make sure you correct. So let me show you. When I highlight this, right click and click on word count plus. You can install this extension. It's free. See, I have 150 words, so it's not that much. All right, so don't drop more than 250 words here. It's not good. Once I have my voice here, I'm good to go. And this is the credit I have remaining, so when I generate, it's gonna deduct. So generate speech, and it's
The
very,
key to
very
starting
fast.
a successful faceless YouTube channel
See,
is
it
to
has
focus.
started
Every
already.
great success story begins with one powerful decision, the decision to focus.
I'll grab the audio and drop it here. It says 5 seconds, but I know it's more than 5 seconds, so let's see, and I'll drag it, add one more. So when you click on the plus sign, you are adding. So I'm just stretching to the length of the audio until it's gonna end. Let's check the length of the audio. Sorry, the length of the audio is 54 seconds, so it's gonna keep going. This is 1 minute, so I'll drag until it's gonna finish. So it finished here. So I'll delete this, click on it, click on the menu and delete page. So now this is it I have here. So if I play,
the key to starting a successful faceless YouTube channel is to focus.
So what I'll do, the key to successful faceless YouTube channel is to focus. So I'll go up here, click on element and type. Now we're gonna work with the visuals. So it says a time lapse of sunrise symbolizing a fresh start. Even they give me the background music, so I'll copy sunrise. That's the intro. So I'll go back here and I'll click sunrise. I'll drop it, enter. So you can use images, but this time around we are creating videos. We are creating a video. So you see, you just have to hover and check whichever is good. I think this one is good, but this one is really common. So for the sake of time, I will click on this one and right click, set as background, and let's play it.
The key to starting a successful faceless YouTube channel is to focus.
Then drag it back all the way there. So let's play it.
The key to starting a successful faceless YouTube channel is to focus.
And we'll move on to the next audio line.
Every great success story begins with one powerful decision, the decision to focus. Today,
I'll type here decision. I'll click inside and I'll drop decision in here, move over, and I'll move over and I'll drag all to this end. Then we play again.
Today, I'll show you how focus can help you start a successful faceless YouTube channel business.
So focus is what it's talking about. So now we need a video of someone focusing on something. This is good because the voice coming out is a male voice, so it has to be a male, like looking at something. Also, it's about online business, so I have to make sure everything will make sense. Okay, right click and set video as background and then play.
Successful faceless YouTube channel business. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking for a new opportunity, this guide is for you. Let's face it, distractions are
Alright, so this guide is
opportunity. This guide is for you.
So I'll end it there. So I'll hover and scroll to the end, then I'll move on. So let's assume this is everything. First, I'll advise you drop an audio underneath. So now I'll grab one of my audios. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's assume I'm working with this audio. So I'll drag and drop it here. So as you can tell, it's uploading. So I'll move it over. So when it's done, click on it, and this is the audio, and I'll drag and drop it underneath, but it's gonna be loud when I have to click on it, reduce and adjust. Let's go to volume and I'll reduce the volume a bit. I'll reduce it all the way to, let's say, 5. Let me just play it and see.
The key to starting a successful faceless YouTube channel is to focus. Every great success story begins with one powerful the decision to focus. Today, I'll show you how focus.
All right, now let me right click and enhance audio
can help you start a successful faceless YouTube.
I'll go back and I'll click on it again. I'll click on adjust. Let me move over, and the audio, I need to reduce it. I have to reduce it to the length of this. Then I'll hover and click on the 3 dots, click on adjust, and I will click on fade. I want the fading to start slowly. Actually, let me move this over here. Click one more time and I'll click on fade. See, you can tell the bar is moving. I want it to fade in slowly to 1.5, something like that. And I'll move over, then I'll play.
The key to starting a successful faceless YouTube channel is to focus. Every great success story begins with one powerful decision.
Now I'm gonna download it. Then later on, I'll work on and I'll add text and stuff like that. But I'll not do it here. I'll do it in CapCut. I'll title first. Let's say faceless video, and it's about focus. All right, but this is for me. But in your case, let's say this topic is about focus, and I'll add tutorial. Just so I know this is just for tutorial. Then I'll click on share, download, and it's because I'm on the pro version. It's saying I'm saving $34.75 from the element that I have used all these videos. So that means if I have not subscribed to the pro version, I wouldn't have been able to use these elements. That's why it's good to subscribe to the pro version, but you can use the free versions too as well, but you don't get most of the stuff that you'll be looking for. Did I click download? I don't think I did. Click share, click download. I think I click on download, but I'm not sure. And make sure it's on MP4 videos. Click download. Oh, I believe it's downloading, but it's just that I don't see it's done. I'll open CapCut, create new project, and I'll go back here, click on it, drag, and drop it here. And what I'll do, extend it, and let's play it and see.
The key to starting a successful faceless YouTube channel is to focus. Every great success story begins with one powerful decision.
You see how it's moving fast?
The decision to focus. Today, I'll show you how focus can help you start a successful faceless YouTube channel.
I'll try and reduce the speed a bit. Even though it's gonna reduce the quality of the audio, click on speed, and instead of 1.0, reduce to 0.9. And let's see, this is for the entire audio. Now it has increased the audio length a bit. Let's try it.
The key to starting a successful faceless YouTube channel is to focus. Every great success story begins with one powerful decision to focus. Today, I'll show you
the audio quality when I download, it's gonna sound different. So at the end of the day, so at the end of this tutorial, when I upload it, it's gonna sound clearer than this. But I advise you use the voices from the library. They sound better because I'm using my clone voice, and clone voices sometimes they don't come out good. Next, I'll add caption. So to add caption, you can click on here and click on caption, or you can click over here, go back to audio, then click on the arrow, adjust here, but you don't see it. Click on the video, Control A, click on captions and click on templates, and hover and find the captions of your choice. I believe 2 words. I like captions with 2 to 3 words. Sometimes these things are too slow to upload. Let's see, I'll use any of them. I need simple text. I'll use it. So once you click, then click on generate captions. Then when you play a bit, see, it's here. So I'm gonna move it to the middle, and you can reduce the font size. Let's say I want to reduce to 8. You can reduce it.
Starting a successful faceless YouTube channel is to focus. Every great success story begins with one powerful decision.
Alright, so because of the video test up there, I'm gonna drag it down. I guess this is the best way to do it, so I'll move over.
The key to starting a successful faceless YouTube channel is to focus. Every great success story begins with one powerful decision to focus. Today, I'll show you how focus can help you start a successful faceless YouTube channel business.
Okay, so as you can tell, this is coming out good, and for some reason, I don't have the test from this side.
Specific goals give you a clear direction.
So I guess it ends here. So I will click on here and move it all the way to the end of the audio. Then let's see.
Specific goals give you a clear direction.
So I'll click on it, and you see there's a little dot. So I will just so click on it and fade. Let's see, audio, fade out. So you see the line is dimming down here. Check it out. So I'll go like that. So let's see.
Dollars a month in 6 months. Specific goals give you a clear direction.
But in your case, it might sound better, not like mine, just so you know.
The key to starting a successful faceless YouTube channel is to focus. Every great success story begins with one powerful decision, the decision to focus.
So when I'm done, I'm gonna go up here, export, then title, let's say focus to success, well, something like that. Then I'll click on export. When it's done, it's gonna start playing. So click on open folder to locate the video, and then go back and click cancel. So that's how you work it out. I don't know why CapCut is like that. So hover on the folder here and click. So this will be the video. So I'll double click so we can watch the final outcome.
The key to starting a successful faceless YouTube channel is to focus. Every great success story begins with one powerful decision, the decision to focus. Today, I'll show you how focus can help you start a successful faceless YouTube channel business. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking for a new opportunity, this guide is for you. Let's face it, distractions are everywhere. Social media, texts, emails, they're all fighting for our attention, but the focus is your secret weapon. Focus helps you shut out the noise and zoom in on what matters, building your faceless YouTube channel. How do you do that? Start by setting clear goals. Instead of saying, I want to start a YouTube channel, say, I want to create a channel about cooking hacks, post 2 videos a week, and earn $500 a month in 6 months. Specific goals give you a clear direction.
So this is how you create monetizable videos using Canva. I hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.